Hi, my name is Deanna and I'll be briefing you about the car tire industry. The tire industry has been growing at a modest pace over the past 5 years. The industry has benefited from rising number of motor vehicles on Australian roads. The driving demand for tires has been growth in vehicle sales, which will enter their tire replacement cycles. Key statistics of the tire industry as of 2019 has had a revenue of $5.2 billion, a profit of $377 million, annual growth from 2014 to 19 of 2.4%, and forecasted annual growth of 2019 to 24 of 2.8%, and businesses in the industry amounting to about 2,086. In order for a business in the tire industry to thrive, it must first understand the supply chain. In some cases, a tire company owns its manufacturing plant. However, the location will be in a more affordable outsourcing location like Thailand or China. To make the product, the raw materials of that make up the goods such as rubber for the outer tire and steel to reinforce it will be sourced through a supplier. After obtaining the materials, they will be collected to a factory to be manufactured into its finished good form, with car tires having various shapes and sizes, and then transported to a warehousing facility, and then later distributed to either automotive manufacturers where the tires will be applied to the car during production, or the after-sales market, which will be usually to sell the tires as replacement parts and such to customers. At the end life cycle of a tire, it is sent to various recycling plants that will either refurbish and retread a tire that could be resold and reused, or to recycle the tire to its basic chemistry of oil, carbon, and steel. In order for a company to run smoothly through all these processes, there are various information softwares that it will use to support its operating functions. A few important software systems a tire company would use would be a warehouse management system, or a WMS. The system supports data management of incoming and outgoing inventory and risk alerts. And the transportation management system, or TMS, is used for routing, tracking and tracing, and keeping track of the delivery schedule of the transportation of the goods. Furthermore, there is the customer side of information softwares like Single Visibility ERP that allows the customer to monitor the entire logistics process of the goods. With each industry, future development will affect an industry's future direction. According to a McKinsey report, by 2030, 15% of new cars will be completely autonomous, and by 2050, almost all vehicles will be sold autonomous. With technology being inbuilt into various parts of a vehicle, it is becoming smarter, as well as allowing for the driver to be more in tune with its workings. There are various smart tires on the market that enable the driver to check the health of the tire via a phone app, which would also have a linked sensor that would be able to talk to your local tire retailer to fix a potential problem before anything detrimental occurs. With these connected tires would also open up the gate to various new designs of the tire that could help the environment, such as a lighter weight tire that would make the car faster while producing less emissions, or in terms of future concepts such as magnetic levitation to create a more comfortable ride or to minimize noise that a tire produces. Safety has always been an important factor in feeling secure in your own car. With a rising demand for safer tires that can withstand various rough terrains and harsh environments. With the future of driverless cars not being far away from reality, passenger safety and security would be paramount, which would then lead to a need for more rigorous regulation in tires. However, with these various theoretical developments will cause the tire industry pressure, as it will face complexities involved with supply chain, cost optimization, and the need for shorter cycles to order and to deliver. Meeting these demands will be important for the future development, mobility, and sustainability and growth of the industry. Thank you.